In this lesson, what I want to do is just do the outline of the building using the wall by baseline method. This will save you doing, if you've got a design like we have in this case. I'm just going to sort of draw it down here. You can either come up here and go walls by baseline, or the way I tend to do it is just come over to my wall that I'm going to use. In this case it's going to be the 220 again. Now once you've selected the wall from the catalogue, once you move your mouse onto the model area, just right click, and this is where you find that option. So I don't tend to use the drop down up here, I just right click and take it off my mouse. So I'm going to insert the external walls by a baseline. So I'll start up in the top corner again and pick a point and drag. Notice this time the wall and dynamic dimensions don't appear, it's just a green line that's following me around. So what I've done is I've dragged my mouse to the right, and I'm just going to type on my keyboard 3070. See how it works down here at the bottom in the command area. So if you drag and let your mouse go and type that distance and then hit enter, it actually draws the line at that length. Now I'm just going to drag my mouse up, not down, and in the direction I want to go, and that distance is 600. Enter, drag to the right, and it'll just keep following you. So the next distance to the right is 7580. Enter, drag down, that's 600. Enter, drag to the right, 10540. Enter, drag down, the next distance is 6440. Enter, the direction to the left is 1 meter. Excuse me. The distance down is 1870. The distance to the left is 1 meter. The distance dragging down is 3670. The distance to the left is 14750. The distance up is 8010. The distance to the left is 4440. Now the last one, you can just right click and go finish. Now the walls by baseline, you get 3 options. That line that I've just drawn behind can be to the outer face of the veneer, which is that point there, to the outer face of wall core or stud, which is here, or to the inner face of wall. Okay, so this is correct. I want it to the outer face, so all I have to do is hit OK. As you can see, if I go and touch all the walls, they'll all be spot on to how I want them to be to match the top. So that's the second option. First one is the freehand. Second one is walls by baseline. So now you can just go and put the internal walls in as we did above, and you'll have exactly that. Alright, thank you very much. That's all for this lesson.